Hi guys, this is Saturday night video of some packages, quite a few packages, and some local pickups. First of all, the pickups, because I think tonight Mr. Knife will be making an appearance later on, but we'll have to see. Anyway, first up is the Mancunian Candidate with Denzel Washington. Good film. Second up is The Omen. It's a British steelbook. It's like it's a matte finish embossed steelbook. There's the disc. Get the disc out. There's the interior artwork of the reporter who gets his head cut off. I like steelbooks, but I don't like the matte ones. Next up is Jonah X. I've only watched a bit of this film, I turned it off. It's one of them DC Comics rehashes. Next up is the free disc version of The Exorcist. I believe this is the 40th anniversary edition. And it's got the original 1973 version, and it's got the 2000 version. It's got audio commentaries. It's got a full-length feature about Talk of the Devil. It's got a Beyond Comparison special feature. It's got a 3-part documentary, or 2 parts, sorry. And it's got classic scenes. It's got first time, different versions of The Exorcist, loads of special features. And that was only £2 for that local trade shop that's in Bangor. Next up is the Kevin Hart film, Central Intelligence. Haven't watched it yet, but it looks good. I like Kevin Hart and The Rock. They're one of them buddy cop films, and again on Blu-ray it's the extended version. They seem to do that now. They've put the normal version on cinema, then they put a different version on Blu-ray. Cash cows. Last up on the pickups is the box set of 21 and 22 Jump Street. This cost me £3 from CX. Right, that's all the pickups. And now for the unboxing sections. And they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages, and I think it's Mr. Knife's time. Right, let's have a go at this bugger. Let's get into this. Try not to damage it, but get in there. Right, put him down. And oh, that's all. Bubble wrap. Mr. Knife again. Cutters. And it's a VHS, and it is a Charles Bronson film, The Stone Killer. Look at it. Yeah, looks like new actually. Looks brand new. No mark on it. The Stone Killer. I got this film on DVD. I just wanted it for VHS for a cheese night. I've got my old VHS over here. You can't see it, but it's over here on the small screen TV, because you can't watch VHS on the new LCD plasma TVs. It's crap. You need to watch it on a tube small screen TV. Like the old days. The Stone Killer, brand new. So look at the one. This is in a mail bag. so the person that shipped it doesn't give a shit about the shipping. Usually these are all ripped and stuff. Let's get in there. Rip it open. Open. This. Oh, crap. This is another Charles Bronson film. It's a very early one with Rod Steiger. It's directed by Simon Fuller, and it is the original deleted run of The Arrow. None of the American made on demand crap. This is the original version on UK DVD that came out in 2004 and was deleted by 2005. Now this goes, a new copy of this goes for over £90 to £100, and a second-hand copy goes over £50. I paid £19 for this, so I've already got one in my collection. I might flip this, I might not, all depends, because I might stick it on eBay for £30. If it sells, it sells. If it doesn't, I'll keep it. But that's the original ultra rare run of The Arrow. Another slim one, so it's got to be a DVD or a Blu-ray. No idea. Get in there somehow. Rip the bugger open. Open heart surgery. Get in there. Right. Look at that crap. Just Jeeves and Worcester, the first season. Hugh Laurie and Stephen Fry. I loved this series when it first shown on TV. Great to have it on DVD. This cost me a penny, and it's 2 discs. For a penny, it's bound to be scratched. Not too bad, but no, not too bad actually. Not bad for a penny. Plus postage. Again, it's the first season. Love that comedy. Next up is an Amazon USA disc. This is from the Amazon American site. That, pardon me. Don't buy, if you want to buy American films for America, don't go on eBay, because they'll charge you that stupid American shipping thing where you pay about £14 for overseas shipping. That's bullshit. Get them from Amazon America, you pay the same price as the Americans, and it gets hand delivered as well by a courier, not post office. Just cut into this. Find out how good this is in this. Oh yes. Oh, great. It's another Charles Bronson surprise. I knew this was coming. It's been held back about 3 times, but it's finally been released, and that is the Blu-ray version of Charles Bronson's Robert Mitchum's Hugh Brinner's Villa Rides. I have this on Blu-ray on DVD. Onto the upgrade. It says it's Region A, Paramount. Right, okay, so it is Region A because it's an Olive Films. Olive always lock their films to Region A. Paramount don't lock their films, they're usually Region 3, but it's an Olive sub-release. 1968, 122 minutes, colour, 2.35 widescreen. Right, so it's the same as the DVD. Doesn't say it's got any special features, so I'll have to see about that. I doubt it. Olive aren't known for their special features, but Olive are known for doing great film releases, i.e. titles that you wouldn't think would be on Blu-ray on Olive. Olive Films, Villa Rides. Next up is a double. There's 2 items in this, so let's cut this bad boy open again. How do I get into this? Right, let's get into there, get at the back, cut it up, spline. Get in there like that, get in there, yeah. Right. Open. Oh, bloody newspaper now, God. Someone sure didn't want me to get into this. Cut into it again. rip this bugger open. Jesus Christ. Shit everywhere. Right. Oh yeah, this is Jeeves and Worcester, Season 2. Pardon me, Season 3 of Jeeves and Worcester. So now I only need Season 4 to finish my set. Again, I love this show. It did go a bit crapper after Season 2. I think Bertie actually moved to America or something, or there's quite a few episodes based in America. But again, classic. I love Stephen Fry in this. Good. These were shown sort of on Sunday evenings after the Watershed for some reason. Nothing bad in them, they're all U or PG certificate. But classic family entertainment. Not like this video with a lot of swearing in it. Last item to be devoured by Mr. Knife is a big box, so this has got to be a VHS, I should think, and it's covered in tape. So there's well protected, don't we? Let's delve in. Which way would be easier to hold this? That way, right. So don't break it without ripping it open. Slice it down like that. And like that. Let's rip this bad boy open. Oh, no, no. Right, just a knife away. Happy birthday! It's not my fucking birthday yet. Anyway. Well, I don't know why people just don't buy a jiffy bag and put them in a jiffy bag and piss about wrapping, taking ages wrapping and sticking. Costs more in the end. Right, bubble wrap. If you put it in a jiffy bag, you don't need to spend on this shit. I'm going to easy to get in. Oh, right. I had to get this when I've seen it because it was so cheap. And I love this film, it's fucking class. Charles Bronson, Death Wish 3 on VHS. The original Big Box Guild version. Not the crappy sell-through version. It's all here. Good condition. Good condition. VHS. It's got the Guild embossed on the cassette and case, so it's all original. Great for another cheese night to go with Stone Killer. I know it's cut. This version and the sell-through version are both cut. Not by a lot. Not by Death Wish 2 is cut to shreds, but Death Wish 3 has got a couple of seconds of the rape of the Hispanic woman missing, where she gets chucked on a mattress. Some of that is cut out, but the rest of the film is uncut. And you don't go and see this film to get a degree. The film is what it is. Fiction. You know, a guy goes in the street with a machine gun, a big Gatling gun, and kills hundreds of people and just walks away at the end. He'd be in jail for the rest of his fucking life if he did that in real life. But it's just classic, over the top Bronson, and that's what it's for. Great film. Anyway, that's all for tonight. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, subscribe to me, please. If you don't, well, doesn't matter. Anyway, thanks. See you later. Bye.